we can pretty much help you with anything that's related to your move. Whether you need help with loading, unloading, packing, unpacking, even packing supplies, or even if you're moving across the state. We're licensed to move in the state of Texas. We move locally here in Houston and surrounding areas, and probably do more moves in a day than you're probably going to do in your lifetime. So we definitely know what we're doing whenever it comes down to moving. But the important part is what are you wanting? Because for us, we customize our moving experience to fit your needs. So if it is just one area, like the tedious kitchen, nobody ever wants to pack their kitchen. Well, let us take care of that one time-consuming area for you, and you can take care of the rest.